In today's world, most important data isn't sitting in databases that you guys already know about. It's sitting on websites and in journals and in publications out there in raw text and not in a way that's easily consumable by a computer. And if it's not easily consumable by a computer, that means that it can't be shown in a dashboard and it can't be filtered out and it can't be combined with other information reasonably. So Anzo Competitive Intelligence Solution for Pharmaceuticals has a capability called Anzo Unstructured for processing all of this unstructured data. What we're going to look at here is a particular article on MedPage Today. And the first thing that we're going to do is simulate publication. So we're going to post this article to Anzo. Now normally Anzo would just pull this information right from the web somewhere, but for the purposes of the demonstration, we're just going to simulate the publication. So I'm going to double click, publish the article. Now what happens is Anzo will receive the article and then run a variety of natural language processing techniques on the article and then semantically link it against all of the existing structured data within the system. That's a lot of big words, but what it really means is that if I'm an officer who's concerned about a particular area of drug development, I can get an update when things happen in the news about things that I'm interested in. So in this particular case, I get an email that says, hey, there is new information about the drug Paceriotide, which you have previously indicated that you're interested in. So I can go ahead and click on a link right within that email, and it'll bring me directly to Anzo on the web to see what that new information is. So in this particular dashboard, which is personalized to me based on my interests, I can see a list of drugs that contain new information, including Paceriotide here. And Anzo is telling me that currently it believes that Paceriotide is in phase 2 clinical trials. But the article that it has just read and processed indicates that it's on phase 3, right? So this is new information, and this could impact whether or not I want to pursue a licensing opportunity with Paceriotide. So Anzo Unstructured, what it does is it combines the best of breed text analytics tools, in this case, Calais, UMLS, Alchemy. We also have partners with Linguamatics, Expert Systems, and other tools to process an article in many, many different ways to improve accuracy in linking the data to structured information within the system. So what I can do here is see the article within Anzo, see the actual specific annotations that were made from the variety of annotators that I run on it, and inspect whether Anzo has deduced correctly that there's been a specific change of information. And in this case, it's pretty obvious. The drug is starting a 6-month phase 3 clinical trial. So I should actually update the data within Anzo so that it's consistent with the information that's coming from the newspaper article. So I can do that right here in a form. Anzo is not just a dashboard. You can build forms. The forms can have data validation. The forms can have permissions that enable only certain people to update the information. And in this case, I've got permission. This is my data. This is data that I care about. I'm going to update it so that it's phase 3 in the system. And that data is available immediately to everybody else who's using it. So Anzo Unstructured is the capability that enables Anzo to help you monitor all of the information that's changing and coming, helps you monitor all the information that's new in unstructured form in newspaper articles, journals, basically the sources of information that your IT organization is currently now watching. The Anzo Pharma Competitive Intelligence Solution Accelerator is the most flexible, easy to use, competitive intelligence solution for the pharmaceutical industry. It won Best of Show at BioIT World 2012 and is in use at several of the top 10 pharmas already.